Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to learn trigonometry, the basic part. We'll understand what is trigonometry, then we will try to memorize some of the basic trigonometric ratios. So without wasting time, let's start today's lecture. So first, trigonometry, as the name suggests, this tri means 3 and metry means geometry or metrion. This geometry. Therefore, trigonometry basically means dealing with the three-sided figure. And for getting the trigonometric ratios and solving trigonometry problem, we have to consider every triangle as right angle triangle. So I have a right angle triangle ABC in which B is a right angle. So the opposite side to this right angle is my hypotenuse. Now I have to consider an angle called theta. Theta is a Greek alphabet which is used to determine the trigonometry ratios. So let's consider angle A as the theta angle. So the angle opposite to the theta angle, this one angle opposite to the theta angle, is called the perpendicular. So I am writing here P, and the angle and the side or adjacent to the theta angle is called the base. So this is my base. Now let's take another right angle triangle. Consider it M and O, and N is a right angle. So this is obviously the hypotenuse. Now I am considering this side as the theta. So the angle opposite, the side opposite to the theta angle is perpendicular, means this one, and the adjacent side is base, this one. There is no fixed base or perpendicular. It is dependent on the angle which we consider as theta. Now as we learn all this, let's first introduce ourselves to the world of trigonometry. First let's say sine theta. I think you have heard this in time, but the meaning of this is P by H. P for perpendicular and H for hypotenuse. Therefore, sine theta of this triangle will be Mn by Mo. Like that, cos theta means B by H. B means base and H means hypotenuse. Now tan theta. Tan theta basically means P by B, but we can also memorize it as sine theta by cos theta. It is the ratio of sine and cos. So these three are the basic ratios. We have many more. Many more means we have another three that are the reverse of these three. So first we have cosec. Cosec theta means 1 by sine theta or H by P. And then we have sec theta. This means 1 by cos theta or H by B. Next we have the cot theta. Cot theta you can understand, I think, that will be 1 by tan theta or B by P. We can also write this one as cos by sine or cosec by sec. This has many way to memorize. First is 1 by tan, then B by P, that is base by perpendicular, then cos by sine, then cosec by sec theta. Now let us see, there is another important topic, that is the origin of these words. We are telling that sine, cos, but from where this came from? Let us see the real name. Sine stands for SINE, that we write in short as sine. Then cosec stand for cos stand for cosine, COSINE, cos. Then we have tan stand for tangent, I think you know what is tangent, otherwise you will learn in the circle chapter. Let's take a circle with radius r and a line touching only one point of the circle is called a tangent. This is a tangent. This is a tangent to the circle. A line that touches only one point of a circle is called the tangent. Next we have cosecant or cosec. Then secant, you can understand it is sec. Then cotangent or cot. These are derived from very earlier names, from the Greek mathematician or the Egypt mathematician. From these things, this is basically from the pyramid concept. They made the triangle, so very earlier time. So these names come from that, and we write now the short form of this. So we have learned all the basics. Now we will move on to the trigonometric ratios. So I have prepared the layout for writing the trigonometric ratio. This is the layout. It is pre-designed. So we have to take it 0 then 30. We don't take here 1 2. We have to learn the process to take out how to take suppose sine 1 degree. But later you will learn this. Today we are covering only basic topics. So the basic things are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. There is a short trick lying in this. First write here 0 1 2 3 4. Don't miss anything. There is 0 then 30 45 60 90. First write from 0 to 4, then divide it by 4, then take it under root. Now we have to solve this. So this is 0 by 4, so obviously 0. Then it is 1 by 4, so 1 by 2. It is 2 by 4, we have to cut this. Therefore it will be 1 by root 2. It will be root 3 by 2. And it is 1 and root over 1 is 1. This is the sine trigonometric ratios. It is the basic. These trigonometric ratios are also called T ratios. These are same, T ratios and trigonometric ratios. So it is the basic. If we learn sine, we can take out every other ratios. Like we have understand how to take out the sine ratios. Sine 0 is 0, 30 is 1 by 2, 45 is 1 by root 2, 60 is root 3 by 2 and 90 is 1. Now we have to reverse the order. In cos ratios, we have to take here 1. For 0 we have to 1, then we have to take root 3 by 2. This we are reversing the process. See there, like this. Then it is the middle, therefore we will take this, then this one will come 1 by 2, then this 0. So you can now understand that by remembering the first line we can take out every other ratios. After that come the tan. So tan we know is sine by cos. So tan 0 degree will be 0 by 1. Then tan 30 degree will be 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. Then 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Then we have to divide this also. Root 3 by 2 in divided by 1 by 2. Then it is 1 divided by 0. Now we have to calculate this. 0 by any real number is 0, therefore it will be 0. Then we have to cut 1 by root 3, it is 1, it is root 3 and it is undefined. Sometimes we write here infinity, but it is wrong. It is undefined, not infinity. because if we write 1 by 0 equals to infinity, then it stands that 1 equals to infinity into 0, and infinity into 0 means 0, therefore 1 equals to 0, which is wrong. So we can't write 1 by 0 equals to infinity, so we have to write is undefined. So I am preparing the fresh chart for you for memorizing purpose, and it is just the short trick. So this is the trigonometric table, you just see it. It is from a book for your better understanding. Who want to remember that and want to memorize this time, please take the screenshot. I am proceeding now. So there is a short trick for memorizing the sine, cos and tan. That is, we have to write here Pandit. See it, Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bhole. It stands for P by H, then B by H, then P by B. See, it is tan theta, it is cos theta, and it is sin theta. If you have any problem or difficulty in memorizing this, that P by H is sin, B by H is cos, and P by B is tan, you can memorize by this process. It is the shortcut trick. So thank you for today's video. Today we just covered the basic topics, so we will learn further in the next videos.